Thinking of opening a brokerage account in 2025? You're stuck between Webull and Charles Schwab, right? Let's break down the pros, cons, and figure out which one is best for you. Today, we're comparing two top US brokers: Webull, the sleek app-based platform, and Charles Schwab, the trusted giant with decades of experience. Webull is perfect if you love zero commissions, crypto trading, and a clean, modern app. It's built for tech-savvy investors and active traders. You get real-time data, advanced charting, and extended hours trading, all without fees. But there's no human support and limited retirement accounts. Charles Schwab, on the other hand, offers everything: stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, IRAs, and even financial advisors. You also get fractional shares, robust research tools, and one of the best customer support teams in the industry. It's great for long-term investors, beginners, and anyone who values guidance. However, its interface can feel old school compared to Webull. If you're young, love tech, and want to trade on your own, go with Webull. But if you want full-service investing, retirement planning, or expert help, Charles Schwab is the better choice. Let me know in the comments, which one are you using in 2025? Hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.